Hi guys, so I'm going to give you the little tour, but I'm going to start by pointing out that you know where my room is because you know where the library is. You've been to the library before last year when you were in kindergarten. And so I am right across from the library. So there's the library. And then if you look right here, there's my sign, and you come right on into our classroom. There's going to be a little tour here. It's not completely done. I still have some work to do. The custodial staff still has a little bit of work to do to finish up some of the things here too. But here's just a little sneak peek of what it's going to look like. Now, you might be thinking, well, Mrs. Robinson, how come your tables are stacked on top of each other? And it looks a little empty in the middle of the room. Well, that's because we're going to be utilizing our flexible seating, which you can see over by our reading corner. I've got some of it setting up over there. We're going to be utilizing that a lot more this year in order to help us socially distance from each other and keep each other and ourselves healthy and safe. So that's pretty exciting. It also gives you a chance to notice our beautiful new carpeting that was put in over the summer. So let me show you a few of my favorite spots in our room. So my first favorite spot is this area right over here. It's our word wall and this blank door. Now you might be thinking, what's so exciting about a blank door, Mrs. Robinson? Well, this door is actually a whiteboard wall. Mrs. V and I painted it last year when we moved into this space, and our kiddos last year absolutely loved being able to write on this door. It's a pretty neat thing to do. In my first video, I shot it over here in our reading area, and this is always one of the areas of our classroom that I set up first because I love to read. You'll notice that I have books that stretch all the way across on both of the shelves, and the letters at the top even spell out read. And there you can see some of our flexible seating options. And then my third favorite spot in our room is this little area right here. As I mentioned before, we had some new things go in. So we just got a new heating system put into our building. But the part that makes this my favorite is I love the two little camp chairs, and I love the little rug that looks like someone roasting marshmallows over the fire. So those are just a couple of spots in our classroom. You'll get to see more when you come. And like I said, it's going to look a little bit different than what you might be used to in a classroom space, but just because it looks a little different furniture-wise doesn't mean that we aren't going to be doing some really awesome things together this year. Doesn't mean that the feel of our room is going to change at all. We're still going to work hard to be rockin' Riverview kiddos, and I cannot wait to see you. Bye.